Hello guys, welcome to our channel of Daily Count classes where I am discussing about 2 to 3 question on a daily count basis. So today we are discussing a very good question which are coming in IMCAT 1819 from a geometry section. So the question is said that if ABCD is a square of a side of 24 cm and an isosceles triangle PCD is drawn with PC is equal to PD. Uh, Please guys read the question in a very thoroughly manner such that the area of the common to the square of ABCD and the triangle PCD is 360 degree. The 360 degree is saying 360 square centimeter is saying that the common area between the square and the triangle, and find the area of triangle PCD. This is a really good question. So pause your video here, try to put your own method before going to the video solution. So let's start. Before going to the solution, you must know about the some concept of similarities theorem. So we are discussing now the similarity theorems. So the theorem is saying that the if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of area of both the triangle is proportional to the square of ratio of their corresponding sides. I'll give you the example. If say that the two triangles are similar, it means ABC and triangle PQR. Both are similar. So the theorem are said that according to the stated theorem, the theorem are said that area of triangle ABC ratio में area of triangle PQR is always equal to the corresponding side, square of the corresponding side. AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC upon QR का whole square is equal to CA upon RP का whole square. So this is the basic theorem which we learn from our school. The theorem is said that area of similarity triangle theorem. So now we are going to our question. So the question is said that ABCD is a square. This side is 24 centimeter. So we draw a square. This side is 24 centimeter. So start question number 1. This is our square. My drawing is sucks, man. A, B, C, D is a square. And there is something somewhere around P point, which means PCD is a isosceles triangle where PC is equal to PD, and the side of a square is 24 centimeter. Means this side is 24. You know that if side is 24, then the area of square is square of the side. It means 24 ka square. So the area of square is 576. And we know that the common part of the area of square and the triangle is 360. So the area of square is 576 and the common part is 360. So the remaining part is 576 minus 360. So the remaining part is 216. So this is our remaining part. We named the side. This is X and this is Y. So the remaining part of the area is 216, which is included ADX and BYX. The both are equal. The both triangle are equal. ADX is equal to BYX. You look at that, the both the triangle are equal. So the 216 is divided by 2. It means this is 108 and this is also 108. So the area of triangle ADX and area of triangle BYC both are 108, and we know that the formula of area of any triangle is 1 by 2 into my base into my height. So the area of ADX is 108. We need to find out the value of AX. So the area of triangle is 108, 1 by 2, height is our 24 and the base is AX. So 2 12 12 9. So we know that the AX is equal to 9. So similarly the BY is also equal to 9 and the whole is 24 because the side of the square is 24. So 24 minus 9 is equal to 6. So this is our xy is equal to 6, and we know that the DC is equal to 24. So now we are applying that the similarity theorem that we learned before. So PXY is similar to the area of PDC. PXY is similar to the triangle of PDC, and we learned before the similarity theorem. They were saying that the area of the similarity theorem, if the two triangles are similar, the ratio of area of both the triangle is proportional to the square to the ratio of corresponding side. We know that the xy side, we know that the side of 24, we know that the area is 360, and we are assuming that this area PXY, we suppose that our area of PXY is equal to A. We suppose that this area is A, so the whole area is A plus 360. So we are assuming that side ka square 6 square upon 24 square, the square of the ratio of the side is equal to the area, the PXY ka area upon में total area, it means A plus 360. So the 6 का square is 36, 24 का square is 576, and A upon में 360, A upon में A plus 360. PXY का area and the total area is PDC का area, it means A plus 360. I hope you understand the whole concept. So 36 is 16 बार में 1 by 16 is equal to में A upon में A plus 360. So A plus में 360 is equal to में 16A. So 360 minus में 15A. So the value of A is equal to 15 to the 30. A is equal to में 24. So the area of triangle is PDC is equal to में 360 plus में 24 plus 24, which is equal to में 384, and this is our answer. So this is a really good question which is coming from our geometry. We are applying the similarity, we are applying the square, area of square, we are applying the area of triangle. So there are so many things are looking into in this question. So we repeat again the method. So the area, the side of the square is given that the 24 centimeter, and the common part is given at 360, and we know that the area of square is equal to a side ka square, which is 576, and the remaining area is 216. The both triangle ADX and BYC is both are equal, so we 216 divided by 2, it means ADX is 108 and BYC is also 108. And we know that the to find out the area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 base into my height. It means 108 is equal to 1 by 2 upon my base into my height. So we find out the value of AX. AX is equal to 9. If AX is equal to 9, then BY is also equal to 9. And we know that the whole AB is equal to 25, so remaining part is equal to 6. Then we find out the whole solution. So this is a really good question. You could learn so many things on this. So this is all for the today's session, and if you have your own doubt, please post that in a comment section. We will very happy to solving them. And thanks a lot for watching this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.